Je dis à mon père that je vais marry moi.
Gade, marry more. Get bel cheve. Anyways, I'm starting out with parting his hair. And he's so cute. Look at his face. And I'm parting it and starting with front sections, going to the back. And this is just a POV of me showing him how to do the camera from front to back like that. All the angles, you know. Anyways, just twisting away, watching a movie together. Highly recommend this as a nice night activity for a couple. It's very relaxing, very bonding, very fun. Anyways, look at those beautiful curls. Shake those dreads. He's so cute. Anyways, moi, baby, Mary, moi, appeal.